This is a chess and checker set. It used to be a travel set and is from Paradix. You can see it here, the box here, the packing is good. It also called it quality, like it have a checker, it have a chess. And let's open the box. This is a chessboard. This is like a manual. It's an English manual, and then you can easily see through it. These are some bags. I think it's to store the text. So 2 big bags, 1 small bag, and 1 is like the thank you card. Let's open the box now. This is of plastic and looks like a good quality. You can see like the locking system is good, and there are the golden ones, chess, this checkers, this is the silver one. And this is good, like a good box. The plastic. But the quality is good, like from the corners, from the side, that all looks good. Let's open one of them. So it's like a literally good big size. It doesn't look like a small travel one which usually you got. There is a magnet behind it, so you can see like the magnetism. So I'm just showing you like how strong it is. See, like it is not falling. It's not falling at all. See, even if I reverse it. That's a good magnetic thing. So it's good like if you're on travel and then you just try to play with it, it will not fall with a small jerk or something. These are the golden. Quality is good, the paint is good, I like those. Showing the same thing, not falling, is good. These can easily be stored in these bags. These are the checkers. You can see like it's simple plastic, good quality but not magnetism. So it's good to play with them. So see, there's no sticker thing, nothing is coming out. It looks good, all the quality is good. I like these checks.